Maliki Yawmid-Din. Malik means the owner. Yawm means day. Ad-Din over here is the day of recompensation. Deen is not. Deen has multiple meanings. Deen, one is religion that we take. Another meaning of deen is to recompense or to return. It has both meanings. The day of return or day of recompensation, both meanings hold, right? In other words, it is referring to Yawm al-Qiyamah, the day of judgment, right? This is the day when all our deeds will be fully repaid. On that day, we will be shown that what did we do in this dunya, and we will be compensated for the actions that we did. Whether they were good or bad, the compensation would be according. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Malik of that day. He is the owner of that day, right? The owner of the day of judgment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on that day will be the owner of everything, right? Now, one way may ask that Allah is the owner of everything in this dunya as well, right? That's what our belief is, that Allah is the owner of this dunya. However, the difference is that for the sake of asbab, Allah has given ownership temporarily of things to individuals. So we say that He is the owner of the house, He is the owner of the car, He is the owner of the clothes, He is the owner of XYZ, a company, right? So outwardly, people come into possession of things, and then apparently they own those things, and it is within their right to do what they wish to do with that thing, right? The livestock is created by Allah, yet Allah becomes that people become their owner. As I said, we can say a house is mine, clothes are mine, all of that is there. But on the day of judgment, even that apparent ownership, even that outward ownership will not exist for anyone else except for Allah. Everything and anything would be owned by Allah, would belong to Allah and Allah alone, and to no one else, right? And it would be proclaimed on that day, limanil mulku yawma lillah, right? It will be proclaimed on that day, laminil mulkul yawm, that, who does the ownership of this day belong to? Lillahil wahidil qahar, that to Allah who is wahid, who is al-qahar. Wal mulku yawma izil lillah, the ownership of this day is for Allah. Wal amru yawma izil lillah, and the order on this day will be that of Allah. So Allah would be the sovereign owner of everything on the day of judgment. But the beauty is that before telling us that He would be the owner of everything on that day, on the day of recompensation, right, on the day where everybody would return to Him and would be rewarded or will be recompensed for what they did, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. That even on that day, keep high hope of Allah. If you have done good in this dunya with Iman, keep the hope from Allah that His mercy would come into play. It is said that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created mercy, He kept 99% of that mercy with Him and only let 1% of the mercy come onto earth. So all this compassion that we see in this dunya, whether it is in the humans or in the animals, whether it is the cat which is taking care of its kittens, or it is a mother which is taking care of its child, whether it is the love that we see among brothers or the kingship that we see among the friends, all that compassion, all that mercy, all that love comes from that 1%, and it is being like this from Adam alayhi salam all the way till the end of dunya. This expression of love, compassion, this pouring of love for each other is out of that 1% of mercy. 99% of that mercy is with Allah, and that will come into play on Yawm al-Qiyamah. So hence why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala introduced Himself as Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim before He introduced that He is the Maliki Yawmid-Din.